guys, today we will discuss about how to fill the system image color. So we can do this by two ways. Let's discuss. Firstly, we will add an image object with system name. So this line is used in SwiftUI to create an image from a system symbol. In this, trash.circle corresponds to the trash icon in the Apple's SF symbols. Now, if you want to fill, then you can just add dot fill with the trash.circle system name. Okay, now let's increase the font size. So this line will increase the font size to 40. If you don't want to add the dot fill, you can also do this thing. You can add dot symbol variant. You can use the fill here. Dot symbol variant applies the filled version of the icon. You can adjust these properties further as needed. Thank you.